Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make chili idli, a delicious and spicy South Indian dish. First, gather your ingredients, including leftover idlis, bell peppers, onions, and a selection of spices. Ensure your idlis are cooled and firm, as this will help them hold their shape when stir-fried. We'll begin by preparing the idlis for cooking, cutting them into bite-sized pieces, and then move on to creating the aromatic chili sauce. To start, take your cooled idlis and cut each one into 4 equal pieces. This size is ideal for stir-frying and ensures they absorb the sauce well. Next, heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a wide pan or wok over medium heat. Carefully add the idli pieces to the hot oil and pan-fry them until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Once done, remove them from the pan and set them aside. Now let's create the heart of our dish, the chili sauce. In the same pan, add a little more oil if needed, then temper with 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and about 10 to 12 fresh curry leaves. Once fragrant, add 1 finely chopped onion and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, cooking until the onion softens. Stir in half a cup of chopped bell peppers and 2 to 3 slit green chilies, followed by your spices, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and salt to your preference. To finish our delicious chili idli, add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce to the pan, mixing well to form a glossy sauce. Now, gently fold in the previously fried idli pieces, ensuring each piece is thoroughly coated with the vibrant chili mixture. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve your hot, spicy chili idli immediately as a delightful snack or a quick, satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.